Hello everybody, this is Fernando from LSC and he's going to show you step by step how to turn on your new tablets and get to Zoom or Teams. Okay, go ahead Fernando.
Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to plug in your tablet. You have your power brick and your power cord, and your tablet has an opening right here where you're going to plug in your cord. So let me show you how to do this. You plug it in, and as you see, you'll see your power light turned on. Okay? Alright.
Now, step 2 will be navigating to the home screen.
Okay, first thing you want to do is touch your screen. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the password.
Top secret, no looking. Don't share your password with anybody.
And here we go. Here's your home screen.
Very good. Okay, so step 3 will be going to Teams.
Okay, so this is Teams right here. So what I will be doing... Hold on, let's pause it. Pause that one. Pause
Now that you have navigated to your home screen, we're going to show you how to receive a call from Teams. Here, it'll ring just like that. Oh, see, now it's showing up on your end.
Now you want to press accept. And then you want to press this camera right here, volume.
When you push that camera button, then you'll be able to see your staff and peers who are also in the meeting.
So, for an example, here we go.
Ooh. Oh, there's Fernando. And now you're all set to have your meeting. Now we're going to show you how to connect to a Zoom meeting.
So this is the monthly paper you'll be receiving. Okay, it comes with the meeting ID and the password, which you will receive. Okay, so we're on our tablet, and we're going to press the Zoom icon, which is this. Okay, then we're going to press Join Meeting. Now what you want to do, we're going to press the meeting ID. So we're going to press this. Okay. As you can see, this class starts at 11:30. So when it's 11:30, you can join in. And what you want to do is press join. Now there's a meeting passcode which you will receive. Once you press your meeting passcode, the class will start. Okay.